Hello, esteemed pastors and members of Assemblies of God, Ghana. I am your General Superintendent, Reverend Stephen Wengam. In line with the theme for 2025, Pray Without Season for Supernatural Manifestations, the Executive Presbytery have institutionalized a yearly event dubbed National Prayer Warriors Retreat. It's an event for pastors and members who are prayer warriors, intercessors, armor bearers, and all those who desire to seek God's face for spiritual gifts and supernatural manifestations. The maiden edition is scheduled for Tuesday 29th April to Friday 2nd May 2025, and the venue is Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology, Kumasi. Registration: contact your regional superintendent or district pastor. Enquiries: call 0244 251 800. Activities include 24-hour prayer chain throughout the period, spiritual warfare, intercession, prayer walk, spiritual mapping, tongues banquet, and prophetic declarations. Prayer will be led by anointed servants of God and seasoned prayer warriors. It will be fire for fire, face-to-face encounter with God. Your host and convener is Reverend Stephen Wengam, your General Superintendent. See you there. Don't miss this opportunity to intercede for the church and pray for the nation and believe in God for supernatural manifestation. See you there.
Pray, pray, pray without season.